And we can categorize this investments into three assets, no? Foundation assets, growth assets, and high-risk assets. So explain natin, no? From ground pataas. Let's go first with the foundation, which is the most important thing and the very first priority in the financial freedom pyramid. Foundation means that this will serve as a safety net to your finances. That no matter what happens to you, your family, your job, your business, you will never run out of money. Hindi ka mauubusan ng pera. That's the purpose of foundation investments or foundation assets. This will serve as a protection para hindi ka maging zero or hindi maubos yung pera mo. Whatever happens, you have money and you will never run out of money. That's gonna be foundation investments. Pangalawa naman, growth investments. And maybe you already understand what's active income and what's passive income. Active income is you are trading your time for money. Yan yung tinatawag nating sweldo or salary. No? Or if nagnenegosyo tayo, yung kapalit ng oras natin, kapalit ng effort natin na pera. That's gonna be active income. Passive income naman is basically wala kang ginagawa or you're not working for the money. Your money is making more money or your money is buying you time. Meaning lumalaki yung pera mo pero hindi ikaw yung nagpapalaki ng pera mo. Hindi ikaw directly. No? And ito yung sinasabi nila na you are making money even when you are asleep. Yun yung passive income. And now, the reason why I'm explaining to you para mas madali mong maintindihan yung growth investments. When I say growth investments, this will not make you rich instantly. This will not make you an overnight millionaire. If this would make you rich or make you wealthy, make you a millionaire, it would take long term. When I say long term, 15 years, 20 years, or even more. You are actually investing or buying your future. Sa foundation, you are buying now or you're protecting yourself now. Sa growth naman, you are buying your future or securing your future sa growth investments. And to think of it in perfect analogy, if nagtatrabaho ka ngayon, no? Again, income or yung salary mo is pinapalit mo sa oras mo. Dito naman, yung pera mo, someone is managing it or nagpapalaki ng pera mo. Ang tawag natin sa kanila is fund manager. They are the ones investing our money in different assets para lumaki. No? Para in the future, nag-multiply na yung income natin or nag-grow na yung investment natin. So that's gonna be growth investments. Third and last but not the least is yung high-risk investments natin or what we call speculative assets. Now, from the word itself, high risk means high reward. No, so, to be honest, this is one of my favorites. Bakit? Because you are getting the most amount of money at the shortest possible time. Again, you are getting the most amount of money at the shortest possible time. So, yung income potential mo is actually unlimited. And you get that for a very short duration or short period of time. But again, there's a reason why high risk siya because there's a lot of factor to consider for it to become profitable and sustainable. And high risk, there's also a possibility na mawalan ka ng pera or maubos yung pera mo for this certain type of investment.